In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho CRM to n8n. By the end, you'll have a working connection so your automations can react to what happens in Zoho CRM and move data where you need it. First, head to n8n. Open your n8n instance, whether you're using the cloud version or a self-hosted setup, and sign in. Make sure you're on a workspace where you can create and save workflows and that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups, since you'll authorize Zoho in a moment. Next, click on Create Workflow. Give your workflow a clear name so you can recognize it later, and add a short description if that helps you remember the purpose. This opens a blank canvas where you'll build the automation. Now, search for Zoho. On the canvas, add a new node by clicking the plus icon or pressing the shortcut to open the node picker. Type Zoho and choose the Zoho CRM options that appear. You'll see both regular action nodes and a trigger node. Since we're setting up the connection to start a workflow when something happens in Zoho, we'll focus on the trigger. Then choose your trigger. Select the Zoho CRM trigger node to define what event should start the workflow. Pick the module you care about, like leads, contacts, or deals, and the event type, such as when a record is created or updated. Keep your use case in mind. For example, new lead created is great for immediate follow-ups, while record updated can catch status changes. Now apply your API credentials and the rest of the settings. In the Credentials section of the Zoho node, create a new Zoho CRM OAuth credential. You'll need your Zoho OAuth client details from your Zoho Developer Console, and you must select the correct Zoho data center region to match your account, such as .com, .eu, or .en. When prompted, authorize n8n to access your Zoho CRM and confirm the requested permissions. If you see a redirect or consent screen, allow access and return to n8n. Once connected, save the credential. With credentials in place, finish configuring the trigger by confirming the module, event, and any filters that narrow the records you want to watch. Click Execute or Test to verify the connection. You should see a success message or sample data come through. Save your workflow, and when you're ready, activate it so it runs automatically. That's it. You've connected Zoho CRM to n8n. Set your trigger and authorize the integration. From here, you can add action nodes to send messages, create tasks, or update other systems, whatever your process needs.